Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and XRP again. Basically I was spot on with my analysis again. So yesterday's analysis, if you haven't seen it, go and check it out please. It was a good video and I was pretty much spot on. Basically I said that, we are on the 45-minute chart for Bitcoin. Basically we were in a descending triangle. And I said as soon as we break out of this, we should be coming up and retesting $30,200, and we pretty much did. We came up to about $30,187. So I was nearly spot on. So yeah, we've obviously come out, traded sideways a bit, come back down, and then boom, gone back up to about $30,200, which was brilliant. So we have just ticked bullish on the 45-minute chart. This is why you are seeing this green pump right here. So now we have currently sort of started to form a ascending wedge. It's like a broadening wedge up here. So you can see these two lines here and here. I do feel like we could be retesting $30,500 by tomorrow. It is very possible. We are ticking bullish as well, so that is a good sign. So basically right now we have obviously ticked bullish right here, and we are having a pump to the upside on the 45-minute chart, which is good. But I want to show you, if we move towards the hourly chart here on Bitcoin, we're looking fine on the RSI and we're looking fine on the MACD as well, but we can see that we have formed a slight bullish flag pattern. Let me just sort this line out here. So if we move this there, and if we move this here, we kind of forms like a small bullish flag pattern. So if we do break towards the upside from this pattern, we could pretty much be coming up to retest $30,500. So if we do break out here, we should be coming up to about $30,400. But if we do break out of this, then it would be quite bullish, because then we'd probably be breaking out of this ascending wedge here as well. So we should be coming up to retest these levels here of $30,500 by tomorrow. But we would go up the next two next two timescales of 4 hours and the daily chart on Bitcoin, and we will see how bullish they're looking. And if they're looking bullish, at least if the 4-hour charts look, so if the 4-hour chart looks bullish, then we should be coming up to retest $30,500 by tomorrow. This is basically what I think. So we're looking fine on the hourly chart. Everything's looking fine to me. We are in a sort of bullish flag pattern, or it could be like a bullish pennant pattern, but either way the upside potential is $30,400, but we should obviously come up and try and retest $30,500. If we do break through this, then we should be retesting the local resistance of $30,700, and then we probably will get rejected maybe at this point and come back down for to confirm support up here. So we could see something like this. We could break out of here, try to retest this, come up, try to retest this resistance level here, and then we could probably get rejected like we did back here and sort of come back down and try and retest this support level here of $30,500. If we do confirm this and we are still bullish, then we could probably come up to try and retest this resistance level here. Right, let's head over to the 4-hourly chart. If we head over to the 4-hourly chart right now, my chart's looking a bit weird at the moment because I was at a family gathering. I was at a family gathering, or basically over the weekend. So yesterday's video was a bit different. It was on a much smaller laptop. So drawing on that chart on that laptop, it's now coming onto my bigger computer. It's like messed with the charts basically. So I need to sort that out. But obviously it was getting late tonight. But I wanted to get the video out for you guys as well. So yes, let's look at this. So 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly chart, we're looking okay. As long as we don't sort of head towards the downside here and tick bearish, we should be fine. But yeah, I mean, we could still be coming up to $30,500, but we have obviously, but we need to stay between these two lines here. Let's just open up this broadening wedge here, because on the 4-hourly chart it's a little bit different. So yeah, I do think by tomorrow we should be getting a pump towards the upside, but if we do get some selling pressure, let me just check the hourly chart very quickly. Yeah, as long as we tick bullish on the hourly chart on this bullish flag, then we should be golden, and then that would mean that we'll be bullish on the full hourly chart. But if we do break down towards a downside here, I would see some downside potential basically. So if we break towards a downside, the initial downside break would be down here. So we're probably coming down to about $29,800, and we may come back down to retest $29,500. So don't rule that out. It is still possible that we could obviously come back for a retest down here of this level of support. So yeah, in the meantime, on the 4 hourly, I mean, this still could be a bullish flag pattern, but it'd be a little bit different. So obviously the top would be here and the bottom would be here. So we've got a little bit more to play with, but obviously the upside potential would be a little bit bigger. So if we break towards the upside here, then that would mean that we'll break through the $30,500 level, and then we should be coming up to retest $30,600. But that's only if we break through this resistance level here. If we do break through this resistance level, then we should be coming up to retest this local resistance here of $30,700. And also, just so you know, all my support levels and all my resistance levels aren't in this chart at the moment because the other chart got deleted. So I've still got some, just a rough idea of what's going on, but this is obviously a bigger level of resistance here of 31,100. But in the short term, yeah, I do feel like we should be coming up to $30,500, and it is possible that we could be doing that tomorrow. Only if we stay bullish on the 4-hour chart. But we need to break out of this bearish flag pattern here on the hourly. If we break out of this, then we could be coming up to retest $30,500. If we head to the daily on not XRP, on Bitcoin, we're still looking okay. Like I said, like it's a bit annoying because I can't fit the whole thing in the screen. But this is our big sell-off red candle here, and then we started to create a bearish flag pattern on the daily. As soon as we tick bullish on that, we should be getting quite a big pump towards the upside. But we are still going sort of trading between these two lines of $29,300 and $30,700. So we need to basically break towards the upside to get the pump that we want. If I remind ourselves what... Oh, I didn't want to do that. If I try to see what the upside potential is again, just so we can jog our memory. So if we put this at the top here, so if we basically break through this line here on the daily chart and we do tick bullish here on the MACD, we should be getting quite a big pump to the upside. The first initial pump would be $33,700, so we'd basically be coming up to retest $33,700, yeah. But like I said in a previous video, I'm not quite sure which one it is, but I'm not sure which one it is. But basically I said if we do tick bullish on the MACD on the daily and we get that breakout and we also break out of this bearish flag pattern that we are in, then we should be heading towards about $40,500. That's my target. We could be going a bit higher, but I don't want to I don't want to be too... Oh, what's the word? I can't remember what the word is, but yeah, basically $40,500 is my level that I think that we could get to after we tick bullish on the MACD, but we could go a lot higher. So just expect a breakout probably within the next few weeks, but we need to tick bullish on the daily chart and we need to get that pump and break out of this bearish flag pattern on the daily. So short term, for Bitcoin, $30,500 by tomorrow. That's what I think that could happen. But as long as we basically get that pump on the 1 hour chart and we break out of this, obviously we are trading sideways at the moment. But if we do break towards the downside of this ascending channel, let me just open this back up again because we're back on the 1 hourly chart. So if we do obviously break towards the downside, then we could be coming back down. But yeah, I do feel like we could be getting that pump towards the upside. So I do feel like we could be seeing $30,500 Bitcoin by tomorrow. Maybe even a little bit more, 30,700. But it just depends. As long as we sort of tick bullish on the 1 hourly, then the 4 hourly should be fine as well. So let's head towards XRP. This might be a little bit confusing. So basically we've got a a much bigger, so we are in a huge descending triangle here on XRP, and we are in a smaller descending triangle here on XRP. Wait, what's this? So it's this one here. We are in a smaller descending triangle here. We have actually broken out of both of them. So I do feel like that we should be getting quite a nice little pump towards the upside for XRP. That's if I've drawn this correctly. I mean, it does look very precise, but we are in a ascending channel as well, ascending wedge. So basically, if we've broken out of the smaller one here, then the upside potential would be XRP's price to be 41.5 cents. But we have actually broken out of the bigger one. So I mean, yeah, we'll see what happens with that. We are just about to tick bullish again on the RSI for XRP on the 45-minute chart, so we should be coming up to retest this top level here of 40 cents, and we possibly are about to tick bearish on the MACD, so we could just be trading sideways basically. We are in a small bearish flag pattern here. So if we do obviously break towards the downside, we should be basically coming back down to retest this support of 39 cents. If we break towards the upside, then we should be coming up to retest this resistance level of 40 cents. If we head towards the 1 hourly chart on XRP, then we are about to tick bullish on the hourly, and we are not looking too bad on the MACD, but if we do obviously tick bearish here, then we will be breaking out this bearish flag and coming down to retest this support level here. In the meantime, I do feel like we could potentially be about to break out of this bearish flag pattern. If we do, then we should be breaking towards the upside here, and we could get a nice pump towards the upside. If we break out of this, then we should be coming up to about 40 cents, just over 40 cents for XRP. Let me just get rid of that. So yeah, I do feel like, so obviously the upside potential, if we are breaking out of this bearish flag, out of this ascending wedge, and we have obviously broken out of these two descending triangles, we could be coming up to about 46 cents for XRP. That is just my prediction at this moment in time. The price increase could be about 18% in price, but that all depends on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't pump, XRP won't pump. We will tick bearish and we'll come back down to support. That is just what happens. Let's move to the 4 hourly chart. So I'm just trying to fit all of this in. I obviously got back from the family gathering not long ago, so I'm just trying to get back to it in the old setup basically. So basically, yeah, 4 hour chart. We have obviously closed outside of this descending triangle, both of them. So we should be getting that pump, I think. Yeah, as long as the volume's there, so as long as the volume increases and as long as the RSI doesn't tick bearish on the 4 hourly, then we should be getting that pump towards the upside. If we do tick bearish, then we should be coming back down to support basically, which is down here, 38 cents. Well, or we could be coming back down to this sort of support level here. So let me just draw that in. So this could be the support level here. So we could be coming back down to retest just over 39 cents with XRP. So we're not looking too bad. But if we do get that breakout, then we should be coming up to about 46 cents. But we would obviously confirm that. So this is the daily. So this is where it gets interesting. So this is the daily chart. So basically, in the next hour and a half, if we close outside of this descending triangle, XRP is going up. XRP is going up, and we'll be coming back up to around 46 cents. That's if we close this daily by midnight. Then tomorrow will be a lovely day for XRP, and it will be a lovely day for Bitcoin, because I didn't check. So yeah, so tomorrow could be a lovely, lovely day, because I've just seen, obviously I know that this is very messy, but Bitcoin, if Bitcoin closes above the outside of this descending triangle, sort of by midnight, sky's the limit. Sky is the limit. So this is, I don't know how I didn't see that. But yeah, basically by midnight, if we close outside of this descending triangle, we are going up. We are going up towards the upside. I don't know. It could be an interesting day. It could be an interesting day because I do think that it could be all of these green candles here, just like we did recently. We could be coming up fairly high. So I'm going to give you two predictions for Bitcoin, but I've got to be very quick. Bitcoin could be coming up to about $33,100, but initially we need to be coming up to $30,500 and breaking out of this, and also we need to be closing outside of this descending triangle. If we close outside of this descending triangle, which will probably be about here on the daily, we could be coming up and retesting 32,500. So $32,800 to $33,000 basically. Bitcoin is going to pump to the upside. I need to end this video. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.